does a common mistake in ductwork installation affect your HVAC system performance? Many homeowners in Tulsa, Oklahoma do not realize there is a problem until they notice uneven temperatures or rising energy bills. Even small ductwork mistakes can reduce HVAC performance. Poor sealing allows conditioned air to escape before it reaches your rooms. Ducts that are too small restrict airflow and force your system to work harder. These issues can lower efficiency, increase energy costs, and cause uneven heating and cooling throughout your home. In Tulsa, Oklahoma, HVAC systems work hard during both hot summers and cold winters. If your ductwork is not properly sealed or sized, your system may run longer, wear out faster, and struggle to keep your home comfortable. If you are dealing with weak airflow, uneven temperatures, or high energy bills, schedule your HVAC inspection today with ProThermal Heating and Cooling.